Students, welcome to Tolleson Virtual High School. We are very happy to see many of you taking the opportunity to continue learning during these unprecedented times. I am Dr. Hurtado, the district's English Acquisition Program Coordinator. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log in to the different online platforms that you will be using during summer school. Keep in mind that you will not be using all of them. First, I will show you how to log into your district-issued laptop. You will need your district-issued username and password. Second, I will show you how to log into Microsoft Teams. Third, I will show you how to log into Edgenuity. And finally, I will show you how to log into Blackboard. At the end of the tutorial, I'll provide you with a phone number that you can call just in case you need technical support with any of these platforms. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to log into your district-issued laptop. After you turn on your laptop, you will see a screen that looks like this. You want to pay close attention to the following. So in order to log into the laptop, you must use the AZ Merit credentials. Many of you already know how to do this. For those of you who need a refresher, I will show you these credentials to you now. Username is AZ Merit. Make sure that the username AZ Merit is all lowercase. For the password, you want to type AZ Merit 18. You must type the letters A, Z, and M in all caps as shown here. And then you can click enter or the arrow to proceed. After successfully logging into your laptop, you will then need to access one of the learning platforms used for your specific course. So I will go over how to access Microsoft Teams. And again, keep in mind that your teacher might not use Microsoft Teams and instead use one of the other platforms mentioned. Here's a screenshot of my desktop. Notice how I already have the Microsoft Teams icon on my desktop. You can see it here in the middle of the video clip. If you do not have Microsoft Teams on your desktop and you have never used Microsoft Teams before, I will click on the video clip to show you how to download and find the app. You can type Teams in the search area and the Teams app will show up. After you successfully download the app, you'll be able to see it on your desktop, and you can also place it at the bottom bar area like you see here on my screen. Again, the following steps are for students who have never used Microsoft Teams. When you click on the Microsoft Teams icon, a window like the one you see on the screen will pop up. It is very important to click on Use Another Account. See the highlighted section here. And after you click on the Use Another Account, it's going to take you to a different window. After clicking Enter, you will see a screen like the one you see here. You want to enter your regular username here. Remember, it is the username that you already use. It is not the AZ Merit username. And then you want to click on the Next button. In this window, you will confirm your username and email address. You're going to enter your password. You want to enter the password you currently use when you are in school. and then you want to click on the sign in button. If you see a screen that looks like this one here, you have successfully entered Microsoft Teams. All you need to do now is find your class and click on your class. Here you see a couple of Teams courses for demonstration purposes. In some cases, you will need an access code to enter your class page, and your teacher will give you this code prior to or on day one of summer school. Most of you will be using Edgenuity during summer school. Now I will show you how to log into this particular platform. So now I'm going to show you how to log in to Edgenuity. You want to start off by going to the Tolleson Union High School District.org website. You go to Quick Links, click on Edgenuity. You're going to see a screen that looks like this. You want to click on Students. You want to type in your usual username, password, the one that you use to log into your laptop. You're going to see some announcements here. You can exit those out. And just for this example, let's just say that you signed up for Summer Math Immersion Program. Notice how there's a course map. Your teacher might ask you to complete a diagnostic pretest. Just depends on what you're doing. Let's say that she or he wants you to watch some direct instruction videos or do some activities. Here's an example video, and I'm going to pause it. Some of the features that you have here are some highlighters. You can listen to the video. There's a standard calculator and then a graphing calculator. So this is just an example on how to go over real number operations. The other neat feature is that you can switch over to a different language if you want. So here I switched over from English to Spanish. Notice how some sections switched over to Spanish. And here's just some example activities that need to be completed within this module on real number operations. And then the last thing I want to show you is the progress dashboard right here on your left side. This is where you will see your progress, your grade, quizzes, exams, assignments, etc. So that's just a quick overview of Edgenuity. During summer school, some teachers will use Blackboard. So now I'm going to show you how to access this particular learning platform. So now we're going to go into Blackboard. You want to log in through the Tolleson Union High School District website, Quick Links, Students, Blackboard plus Learn. You're going to enter your username and your password, the one that you used to log into your laptop. You're going to see a screen that looks like this. You're going to see the list of your classes. You're going to click on classes up here, and then you can also see a class list. For this example, I'll go into Senior English. This was when I was a teacher at La Jolla Community High School. Your teacher might set it up like this: his name at the top, the school, any announcements in this section here. Most likely you'll be using the content area where your teacher will house folders with topics or units, and then your task will be to complete assignments and then submit them in these folders like you see here. Your teacher might also ask that you participate in online discussions So they'll be using the discussion board feature of Blackboard. And that's a quick overview of Blackboard. If you need technical assistance with any of these platforms or you are having issues with your username and or password, we ask that you call the District Technology Help Desk at 623-478-HELP or 623-478-4357. I hope that this tutorial gave you some guidance on how to log into the different learning platforms utilized by some teachers and students during summer school. I wish you a successful summer school experience. Thank you.